Hi, my name is Neely Fisher. I'm the Flexible Chef, and I was super excited when Ninja reached out to me to introduce you to their most amazing innovation, the Ninja CREAMi. This machine helps you customize and make your own flexible creations at home, like ice creams and sorbets, even smoothie bowls for breakfast. Their CREAMify technology enables the CREAMi to break down a uniformly frozen block into an incredibly smooth, creamy texture in just minutes. Healthy or indulgent, the Ninja CREAMi can create frozen treats as unique as you are. The CREAMi has a powerful motor base, and it only takes about 90 seconds, like a minute and a half, to transform your frozen pints into creamy, delicious treats. It comes equipped with an outer bowl and lid to house your pint while you're processing, the creamerizer paddle, which transforms frozen mixtures into perfectly creamy texture, creamy pints and lids to store your delicious creations right in your freezer, and lastly, an inspiration guide with unique recipes to help you get started. I loved reading through all that amazing stuff. If you're looking for more recipe inspiration, have questions about the Ninja CREAMi, or want to purchase more creamy pints, visit us at ninjacreami.com and join our official Ninja Foodie family community on Facebook.